In this quick video, you're gonna see what are the different roles that you can assign to somebody in your Meta ad account. It is important to give somebody the right role so that they can do the work that is needed in your ad account. So let's go into the business manager, come down to ad accounts, select the right ad account, and then you will see different people if there are people in your ad account. So let's see one of them. So you can give full control to somebody, and if you give this person can do anything and everything in your ad account. They can publish ads, see analytics, they can create reports, they can do everything. Now, if you want to give somebody limited access, for example, if you want somebody to only create and edit campaign, so you can give this role. So this is going to be limited role, and this person can only manage campaigns. If you want somebody to only view reports and view the campaign performance, you can give that person view performance role. And then the third one is manage Creative Hub mockups. If you want people to go into your Creative Hub and create and edit mockups, you can give this role to that person. So these are the different roles that can be given to somebody or an employee of yours to an ad account. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content on Meta and Instagram ad campaigns, please subscribe.